Welcome to this week's episode of Your Stock Request for the 29th of July. Hi, I'm Michael Gable, Managing Director at Fairmont Equities. Your Stock Request is the weekly video where I take your requests and analyse the share price charts. So this week we have Newcrest, Elders, Westpac, AMA Group and Argosy Minerals. So if you have a request, send it through. Make sure you've signed up to the free newsletter. If you like our best ideas though, you need to be getting our report every Tuesday, which is the Dynamic Investor. But if you do enjoy these videos, we'd love you to share them on social media or even leave us a review. Our main business is in portfolio management. So if you'd like to have a broking account with me and get my personal help, then please let me know. And all the advice here, of course, is general only. So looking at a daily chart of Newcrest, so we could see that obviously it fell away at the end of last year in March. A few months ago it looked like it was starting to get a bit of a move on. But unfortunately in June it's really struggled. So it's it's taken out the May low, which was a bit of a concern there. But it hasn't got any worse, so it does seem to be holding in here. It does seem as though downside for the moment's limited as it's trying to rally. So trying to rally, can't really get going. I guess for the moment it just looks like it's going to use up a bit of time. Elders, so just zooming out, so we've pretty much still got an overall uptrend. Shorter term, of course, we've got this pullback, but we can see that the $11 seems to be support. So it looked like it found a bit of support, $11 here in May, early June, rallied, came back, but once again found support there. So that is a positive. Obviously we need to see it take out the previous high, so we need to make a higher high, and that will let us know that this pullback is over. All right, Westpac, so we've got, since the sort of March lows last year, bit of a decent trend there, but it does look a bit weak for the moment. So we've got the pullback here, taken out this May low at around $25. So it's already broken that. We can see that generally that should have been, it seemed to be a major level. So it's fallen under that and it can't get back above it. So I think at best it trades sideways. Otherwise I'd expect lower levels in the short term for Westpac. Okay, AMA. So we've got this since November, clear sort of downtrend, lower highs, lower lows. The bounce in May was, it did look good. This jump here with, very strong move and a bit of a spike in volume as well. But as we could see, it fell short of this high in April. So ideally it should have, gone above this high to break the downtrend. So still in a downtrend, we've got it drifting back. What I'd like to see from here is, it'd be nice to see a big sort of reversal and a bounce, hopefully above this low. So it'd be nice to see a higher low, big reversal, then of course a push beyond the 60-cent level. That would be a start, but at the moment it just looks like it's drifting back. Okay, and AGY, so we did look at this one in June. So we noted, we had this sort of rounded off low here, push above 10 cents. And what it's done is it's sort of obviously eased back. But since then we've got, it's making these higher lows, higher highs. You could see here volume has obviously picked up. So see here, very low volume at the low, but once it's moving, we've got good volume. So that's all a positive. I just think it'll just continue to now head higher from here. All right, well, that's all for this week. If you have a request, send it through and I'll try to include it next Thursday for you.